Okay, so I got this voice translator because I'm always going like Mexico and traveling and going with the kids. We just got back from Brazil and Peru and all these different places where they all speak all the different languages. So you're gonna see it the first time with me. So we're just opening it up and let's see what it looks like. So here's the, oh, it's nice. It looks like a little iPod kind of thing here. And it looks like the power button's on the top. And it's turning on right now. And in the box it comes with welcome. Let's see what's in the box here. Oh, hello. Charging cable. And then the instructions are in there. So we're gonna give it a shot without any instructions and see what we can do here. So it's AI Translator. So let's see, the battery is getting low, only 1%. Well, we might not be able to try it now. But let me try to plug it in and see if I can get it real quick here. I'm gonna unplug my phone, plug this thing in, right in the bottom there. And I was too late, darn it. Try it again. Okay, so I charged it and we're gonna try this again here. So I did it and I just got it on my network and I'm just gonna try to talk into it and say, what's the weather today?
¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy?
See, and then it says that. So then I can say, can you tell me where the bathroom is?
¿Puedes decirme dónde está el baño?
Right, see, and it does that. And then I can do it the other way around. Like I can say, ¿Cómo estás? Oh, maybe it doesn't do that. ¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
See, and it does it to both ways. So this is pretty sweet. So this is gonna be totally handy whenever I go anywhere. That's why I can go and I can say, I'd like the chicken parmesan and potatoes, please. Oh.
Me gustaría el pollo parmesano y las papas, por favor.
See, and it translates for me. So how sweet is that? So this is pretty cool.
Me gustaría el pollo parmesano y las papas, por favor.
And it's got the volume buttons and everything, and it's on my Wi-Fi network, so it's able to do it. So pretty excited to be looking forward to this and playing around with it more and seeing all the different options that it does. But definitely works. Like it.